This is how to make a triceratops out of Legos part 2. First, you're going to take this piece and this piece and this piece, and you're going to put them together like this. Then you're going to move this, you're going to take this piece, you're going to put this piece here, and another one on the other side. Then take this piece, put it here, with this piece at the end, like that. You're going to do the same with these pieces, except you're going to put this facing that way, and you're going to put this piece here. Then you're going to take this piece, you're going to put it on this side, and this piece on the other side, like that. With these two pieces, in the middle, there, see it? Okay. Then you're going to take this piece, you're going to put it here, with another one on the other side, and you're going to take this piece, and you're going to put them together, and do the same with these two pieces, like that, and you're going to put them down like that. Actually, take these two pieces off. Just not both of them, just one. You're going to take these two pieces, and you're going to put one right here, and the other like that. Then you're going to take these two pieces, and you're going to put them on either side of this, like that. Then you're going to take this piece, and you're going to put it here. And you're going to take this piece, you're going to put it there, with this piece right here, and this piece right down there, like that. Then you're going to take this piece and these two pieces, and you're going to put them together like that, with one of these on either side, like that. Then you're going to take this piece, and you're going to put them together like that. Put this right here, with this piece underneath it, like that. Then you're going to line these up, and put this piece right here, and this piece here, then with this piece here, like that. Then you're going to take this piece, and you're going to put it right here, with this piece in the middle, and this piece in the middle of that. Then you're going to take this piece, and you're going to put one on either side, like that, with this piece right here, like that, and this piece right here, with this piece here, and these two pieces on there, like that. Then you're going to put these two pieces together like this, and bye.